Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download mods and texture packs. First, you go to here and click in MC Pod. Click on the first link, and it will take you here. So you can do any mod you want. So I'm just gonna type in here, swords. And then you can choose any one you want. So you scroll down. You click download. Then it take you here. And now the problem is that you can't go here, right? You need to go to Mediafire. So that's the problem. So we're gonna choose another one. Maybe I'm gonna choose add-ons. That's low. Maybe I'm gonna choose now. Let's go back. I'll just do a simple. So I'll just do wings. Okay, you can do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna choose this kind of. Scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom. Until you see all of these. Now let's try the first one, okay? So you see Mediafire, and then let's try it. Now you see this, right? Now you click download, and then go back, to the original one, and then you're just going to go into Minecraft. Now I'm just gonna save and exit my world. And you see it is still loading. When it's done, then I'm just gonna click it. Boom, it's okay. Now let's go. So you go into files, just shorten it, and then go to. Okay, so once you go to file, you click the Monster Hunter Craft thingy, and then you go to here, and then you go to settings. Scroll down. Global resources, and then you should see this. Activate. You need to activate it. Just waiting. You go to play now. You go to this world. You go to your world, and then it will do it. Just don't care. Okay. So I'm in creative mode, and that's it. So I'm gonna be showing you how. So you go to save and exit. Again, you go into your world and log out again, and then you go to settings, scroll down, go to here, and just click Monster Hunter Craft. You click here, and then it won't show you anything. And then you play it. And now you can see this mob thingy I just downloaded. And now that's I think that's it. So if it's not working, maybe you should try again. Then you just ask, and then I'll show you this really cool thing. So you just go here and do gun 2, and then you just scroll down, and then I really like I really like these though. So let's download more. Oh, it doesn't reload. Okay, I think that's it. So we're just gonna choose the first one, okay, guys? So if it's not working, then you're just gonna click like add-on, and then it'll download for you, and then you don't need to go. Sometimes it will download for you, and then you click opening XM Guns 6.0. Importer started. Save and exit. Okay. That should be like it. If it's still not working, I'll show you another way. You want to have the hardcore hearts, right? Hardcore hearts. Sounds interesting, right? So I'm gonna choose this heart. You scroll down. Scroll down. You click in this one, the first one. Link to net. So link to net is okay. So you're just gonna go, just wait, and then free access to ads. So you need to go here and click the X and wait for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so it's a tick. Now you're gonna go and click continue. Now you're gonna download it, what I done, and I am sure it's gonna work. Now I'm sure it's gonna work. Yes, I hopefully see it is working. Wow. Oh, cool. Cool. That's a cool thing. Okay. So don't worry, I'm just gonna make it true, just cause if it's not working, then it's okay. And you just go to global resources, and you just click hardcore hearts, activate, and then just for a few moments, go to your rainbow world and play it. Settings, and down, activate the hardcore hearts, and then you're just gonna you're just gonna play. You're just gonna play it. Wait, first of all, I want to show you this, the real truth, because I'm in survival. Okay, so I'm gonna show you I'm in survival. There we go. You see the hardcore hearts? Dude, I told you. See the hardcore hearts? It's working. Legit. Hopefully see. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like. Boom.